A student measured the mass of a small rock to be 209 grams. After placing the rock in water inside a graduated cylinder, he noticed the volume increased from 21.7 milliliters to 49.2 milliliters. What is the density of the rock? And we're given the formula. Density is mass over volume, so we know this is a division problem. You've probably seen this in chemistry, but sometimes you may see this as a GED math question because there's math involved. Feel free to pause the video if you want to try it. So let's get a picture first. So let's say this is the graduated cylinder, and there's water inside initially. And the amount of water that he measures is a volume of 21.9. Now, in the same graduated cylinder, he puts the rock inside. So let's say that's the rock. When you add the rock to water, the volume is going to increase. So now the water line is at the 49.2 mark. So that's the volume of the water and the rock combined. Now, in order to get the density, we need to know the mass of the rock and the volume of the rock. We were given the mass of the rock, that's 209 grams. We need the volume. The volume is going to be the difference between these two numbers because the increase in volume represents the volume of the rock. That's why it went up, because he added the rock to the water. So first we need to subtract. Let's subtract 49.2 by 21.9. And you could use a calculator to do this, but for the sake of practice, I'm going to use long subtraction, or the old-fashioned subtraction. Now we can't subtract 9 from 2, so we got to borrow a 1. So taking a 1 from 9, we get 8, and the 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 8 minus 1 is 7. 4 minus 2 is 2. And for adding and subtracting decimals, you just need to line up the decimals. So 49.2 minus 21.9 is 27.3. So 27.3 is the volume of the rock. So we know the mass of the rock is 209 grams, and the volume of the rock is 27.3 milliliters. We could do long division, but I'm going to use a calculator for this. 209 divided by 27.3, that gives us a density of approximately 7.6557 grams per milliliter. So the closest answer is 7.6. So we'll pick answer choice A for this problem. Technically that should be rounded to 7.7, but in a math test, sometimes you just got to pick the closest answer.